Welcome to this video on Guidewire in 2026. What's changing? We will explore the major shifts and trends transforming the Guidewire landscape. The insurance industry is evolving rapidly, with Guidewire at the center of this transformation. The shift towards cloud adoption, digital platforms, and automation is creating a more agile and scalable ecosystem. The shift to Guidewire Cloud is accelerating, offering benefits like improved security and lower costs. Business analysts are crucial in this migration, managing requirements, process mapping, and overcoming challenges like integration complexity and change management. The demand for skilled Guidewire business analysts is rising. Professionals who can connect business needs with technical solutions in cloud environments are highly sought after by organizations adopting Guidewire. Agile methodologies and digital transformation are critical trends in Guidewire projects. Insurers are adopting AI and automation to enhance efficiency, with business analysts managing user stories and aligning solutions in agile settings. In conclusion, Guidewire in 2026 is defined by innovation, cloud scalability, and agility. The demand for Guidewire business analysts is strong, supported by integration APIs and digital transformation initiatives. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website, email us, or call us using the contact details displayed here. Thank you.